Hello AI lovers. In today's video, we're going to talk about Rocket.new, a no-code AI-powered platform that helps you build web and mobile apps 10 times faster. Let's get started. What is Rocket.new? Rocket.new is a no-code platform where you can turn your ideas into apps using plain English prompts, whether it's a website, mobile app, or internal dashboard. Just type what you want and Rocket builds the UI and logic for you. How it works. Prompting. The core of Rocket is prompt engineering. You simply type commands like create a welcome screen with a headline, text, and a get started button. Add a login form and integrate with Supabase. The clearer your prompt, the better the output Rocket generates. It supports frameworks like Flutter, HTML, Next.js, and React. Rocket integrates with tools like GitHub, Figma for design, Supabase for backend and authentication, Netlify for one-click deployment, Stripe for online payments and financial services and integrations. It supports OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, and Perplexity.
If you're looking for inspiration, check out the Built with Rocket gallery, where users share their apps, everything from MVPs to polished projects. Here's a quick demo. Let's type, create an influencer market dashboard to track influencer campaign performance, monitor audience reach, and measure engagement. It will help automatically generate the dashboard and ask for default framework or customized framework. I will select Use Default Framework. After that, Rocket will ask for select the screen you wish to build from the list below. Now I will select all. Rocket will work on the request I selected, and Rocket will take 10 to 12 minutes as per my request. Rocket generate a code automatically and go to Preview button for See the Influencer Market dashboard. Rocket will generate Campaign Performance Overview dashboard, Influencer Performance Analytics dashboard, ROI, and Budget Optimization dashboard, and real-time engagement monitoring dashboard. If you're an entrepreneur, designer, or developer who wants to prototype and launch quickly, Rocket.new is an amazing tool. The link is in the description. Try it out and share your experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, just AI Space.